Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add a ring device. So let's just get started. Firstly, what you need to do is just go to this three lines which is on your left hand side on the top. Just go over there and you'll find this set of a device option. Just go over there and just choose which one is yours. So let me just go with security cams. Then I'm ready to scan. Allow it and just scan the device just in like manual or let's say on your camera, and you will add the device. So that's pretty much, guys. I'm not doing it because I currently don't have it, but you can do it with easily. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.